Today I'm going to show you how to change the iPad battery. Here are the tools I used. Now let's begin. Use the blade to open a gap. The opening card can open the screen easily, for it's much thinner than the blade. Need suction cup to help us open this big screen. Open the screws and disconnect the cable. Oops! I forgot to tape the camera. A tape protects camera from dust. Time to pry up the old battery. Kinda hard to do it. The glue sticks it tightly. I have to keep on adding glue remover. Got you! Here comes the new battery. But I need to clean the remained glue first. It's always difficult to connect the cable. Do you have the same feeling with me? If you have a quick, handy way to connect it, please let me know in the comments. Try again. The new battery can work. Time to turn it off and seal the screen. Oh! The most satisfying part. The other side. Well done. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel. I'll share more and more repair tips or my daily repair videos with you.